I was going to show you, I was from Mediamatic, and they produced these really fascinating visualizations of the culture budgets compared to other very significant governmental spendings in the Netherlands.
I'm Abel from Mediamatic. I designed the infographics we made about the governmental cuttings on the culture budget. In tegenstelling tot, on the contrary to our Oostblok neighbors, we actually knew what was going on, and these infographics actually exist because of the public opinion about the culture budget here. A lot of people voted on the politicians to actually cut the budget because they think it's crap, and we sort of like felt the need to show the public what was really going on and how much money there actually was being spent on the culture, and not so much because it was invisible for them, but more because they didn't really think about it and just went along with the herd. You can exactly see what's going on. There's no much explanation needed, and that was kind of what we were going for, because the people, like we needed, it was we made these the weekend before the decisions about the culture budget were actually being made. Like the knoop moest nog doorgehakt worden, and that's why we felt the need to really quick and effectively show everybody what was going on. And there was like a march on the Monday after the weekend, like the march against the cutting of the culture budget, and we actually made them to be billboards to be put up over there by the protesting crowd and stuff. We do that stuff a lot. Like this one, you can see. Yeah, well, the arts only get that little, and the JSF, which we actually don't need, gets like this much, you know. And we came up with the idea because we saw this one, and we actually stole this one and made like a whole series of them, because I mean, you get it. When I saw this, it's you get it, you know. I mean, the JSF is like a airplane to fight in Afghanistan or something, and nobody's gonna fly it, and you know, we just made it and thought of a couple other ones. I think that's what's the actual power of the infographic, that it like visualizes and you immediately get what's going on. And we also kept it like the white background and the one color. That's all just because if there would be more, it would be less clear. And yeah, that's what we needed, the most clearest thing you can get. Vreten, roken en suipen means like eating, drinking and smoking, and there's not like an exact number for eating, smoking and drinking in the Netherlands, because we didn't only take the government expenses on the arts and the normal things and the other things, but we also took like the other things Dutch people spend a whole lot of money on. And for example, the vreten, roken en suipen we got from like the anti-alcohol campaign people, and the Jellyneck clinic, which is like the anti of how do you call it, the rehab thing. And yeah, well, we kind of made it up, but it's clear and it's not like exaggerated a whole lot, you know. It's what the people from the Jellyneck actually get from the government.
So now I'm asking you, what was or is or will be the outcome on the side of the policymakers, or actually what do you expect to be the outcome on their side?
Well, when we made them, they actually still had to decide about the government funding. So there was like a really big march with like all kinds of people holding up these signs and other signs they made themselves and stuff. And like that was our aim to like not just address the politicians with the signs like that, so that they would see it, but more like that the people would see it, and they would like feel unsatisfied with their vote or something. You know, it's not just it's. I mean, you can never like directly make a change making these kind of infographics. You know, it's like a long. It's like a process, and we were just trying to address this with like simple things we could do, because like I mean we could have done much more, but we don't get much more funding, you know, so this is what we could do to tell the people what's up. Yeah.